So today I'm talking about a P0707 code, what it is and how you can go about fixing it. So what is a P0707 code? Well, it's a transmission range sensor A circuit low. So what does this mean? Well, basically, this is what's called a transmission range sensor located on the transmission, and this sensor can't go by different names. In older vehicles, it was called the neutral safety switch, where basically it stopped the vehicle from starting unless the transmission was in park or neutral. And in most newer vehicles, this is called a transmission range sensor. It can have different names sometimes, depending on the vehicle, the year, the make, the model, the manufacturer, things like this. And in newer vehicles, it does all the things that the old neutral safety switch does. But nowadays, these new sensors tell the transmission exactly what gear the transmission's in. And when you get this P0707 code, the computer's seeing some kind of problem with the circuit going to the sensor, is that the voltage is low for some reason. And so it's going to be troubleshooted to know why. And so what would be some possible causes of a P0707 code? Well, the first thing that could cause this is that transmission range sensor or neutral safety switch is just gone bad. It just needs to be replaced. So the first thing to do is locate where that sensor is located on your particular transmission, since there will be differences. It will depend on the manufacturer, year, make, model, different things like that. They're usually located on the outside of the transmission, but sometimes it can be located on the inside. So it's really going to vary. There's some different ways to go about testing these sensors to see if they have failed. There's some good YouTube videos on that. But the first thing that could cause this is a bad transmission range sensor. And the next thing that could cause this is the linkage that goes to that sensor. Sometimes the linkage that goes to that sensor, it can become disconnected, like if this bolt came loose and came off or something like that. Of course, this P0707 code, it is pointing more towards a circuit problem or some kind of wiring issue or bad sensor or something like that. But just keep in mind that transmission shift linkage, that can mess up these sensors, and it can cause them to have issues if they become loose or if they cause it to become stuck in one position. So the next thing that could cause this is some kind of issue with the shift linkage. And the next thing that could cause this is that there's some kind of problem with the wiring going to that sensor. Basically, if there's any kind of open, short, bad connection, anything like this, a blown fuse, then that's going to cause problems. So it can be a good idea to go check for any blown fuses. Which fuse it is, again, is going to vary. It's just going to depend on the vehicle. So you will have to do a little research on your particular vehicle to know which fuse it's on. You can also get wiring schematics for your particular vehicle and go through and check those wires and be sure that there's no open or short or anything like this. Checking the wiring can be a little bit difficult to do sometimes. But basically, if that sensor is good, the shift linkage is good and all that, then the next thing to do would be to get a wiring schematic for that particular vehicle and go and check and be sure that there's no open or short or anything like this. And the last thing on the list is going to be that there's some kind of issue going on with the transmission valve body, or basically something going on internally inside of the transmission. Something's malfunctioned. This isn't going to be too common. Usually if there is some kind of problem with the valve body, then you'll be getting a lot of other codes. You'll be getting like transmission solenoid codes, transmission fluid pressure codes, or things along those lines. But it is possible that there's some kind of issue going on with the transmission valve body that's just stopping that transmission range sensor from working the way it should be. So the last thing on the list is going to be that there's some kind of issue going on with the transmission valve body. And so that's basically it. I just wanted to give a basic overview of how you go about fixing a vehicle with the P0707 code. If you have anything to add, please comment down below. If you have any questions, ask me. I'll try to answer them. If this video helps you, please click like, please click subscribe, and have a good day.